Hello everybody, I'm coming again with another Fiverr Make Money on Fiverr video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a successful Fiverr seller profile, and I'm going to take you everything step by step. So now that you know what Fiverr is, the marketplace, let's look at how you can sell. So to get started selling, you just click on the photo up here, and then you can go down to this button that says become a seller. Up there, if you are not logged in, you'll find a button that says become a seller at the top in the menu. So once you click become a seller, you will be redirected to this page. So this is how it works. You simply create a gig, as I just explained, you deliver the work and then you get paid. Alright, so let's get started how to become a seller on Fiverr. So click on this big button here, become a seller, on this landing page. Alright, so ready to start selling? I recommend that you watch most of these recommended videos. They will help you a lot in the process of getting your first order. So it all begins with a great profile. Once you create the profile, you can go on to create the gig and publish it, and you can start selling instantly. You can also create specific offers for different people depending on their requests. So I'll just click on continue. Right here, there are some more tips for you about what makes a successful Fiverr profile. So first of all, you need to take some time and create a great profile, as I just said, and also you need to link some of your relevant professional networks if possible. So something cool is also putting a face to your name, uploading a profile picture that will clearly show your face. And while registering, remember to have your ID. I suppose you have no problem with that, right? So the first step, as we said, or as we just said, is creating a professional, well thought and accurate description, and that begins with your name, your profile photo. You might want to take some time to write this out. I highly recommend that you take some time to look at some of the other sellers. Check out the sellers with the most ratings so that you can see how they rate their gigs, how they rate their profile if you don't know how to. I'm just going to put in my quick description here and then answer some questions about the languages. For example, I would say that I know English. I can add another language here, maybe Arabic and also Chinese. Now, again, for the description, you need to write something powerful that will attract customers. So to do that for me, I'm not going to think it so much. I'm just going to go to my LinkedIn, copy the LinkedIn details from there, LinkedIn profile just for now. Okay, maybe later I can come back and edit this information. But for now, just going to hop to my LinkedIn profile, paste it here. Now there's a character limit up to 600 characters only. So I'm going to make sure I edit this to 600 characters. Alright. And also you're not allowed to include any links in your Fiverr profile description. So I'm going to look for these links and remove them quick. Anyways, let's move on here. So the next step is professional information like your occupation. So I'm going to say for me, I've been doing digital marketing since 2018, and then from 2018 to 20, as you can see, there are different skills here. You can choose from any skill like copywriting, email marketing, marketing strategy, social media marketing. Now when you choose a specific skill here, you'll get more options down here generated by Fiverr. So as I said, make sure you list all your professional skills clearly to the buyers. Now for me, I already added a few skills. You can go on and add your education, and if you have some certificates like me, you can also add them down here. So to add the education, you just come to this button here, add new, and then you can add your education, this university, and then you can choose the year which I completed this bachelor's. I just click on add and it's done. Alright, just go on and add the necessary information. Maybe under skills I can come to skills and click on add new, For graphic design, I think I did not add the graphic design skill here. Graphic design, I just type graphic and then Fiverr will generate for me all the other skills related to graphics. I choose graphic design and then I can choose I choose the expertise level, the experience level. At least I know some graphics, so I will say intermediate, and then I will move on. Just click on add and then you're done. So last thing here, which is very important, if you do have a website link, make sure to add it down here. Add that, and the next one is linked accounts. So this is most especially for security, and you can see I've already added some apps. This is also for easy account verification. It also helps you to build more authority when it comes to Fiverr. So those are cool things to have, the linked accounts. So if you haven't connected, it's very easy to connect an account here. Just click on connect and then you can sign in. For example, if I wanted to connect my Behance, I just click on connect and then I will be redirected to the Adobe page, Adobe login page, where I can sign in with my maybe Facebook, Apple account or my Google account. So just use Google for now. Just click on continue with Google. Then I can quickly log in. Now, in order to verify your Behance account, you'll be redirected to the Behance website where you can log in, and then you can paste the link and come back here and click on the connect button. Simple, right? So from here, you can just paste your link, the one we just copied from Fiverr, and then you can click on the add button. If you go to the profile and scroll down, you'll find all the links here, including the Fiverr link that we just created. So people can be able to access your Fiverr profile from the Behance profile by just clicking on this button, which is very cool, beautiful, right? So for the most part, that's how you connect your link to Behance. Anyways, I won't add any other links right now. Just click on continue to move on to the last step here, which is the account security. So for me, I have already verified my email address, but if you haven't, this is one of the first things you do when you have just signed up with Fiverr, verifying your email address. Maybe the other thing you can add to your account security is your phone number. So to set up my phone security, I just click on add phone number, and then I can put in the number, and then a code will be sent to this number, which you can just put in right away. Click on submit code, and then maybe add security question. That's the last question. Once you answer that question, you can click finish, and then your phone is verified successfully. No need to wait for 24 hours or anything like that. Just click on finish and you are done with your profile. So that's how you create a Fiverr profile that will help you generate leads, more orders, and more sales, so that you can start making money online. So the next step here is to create your gig and publish it. Now for this, I would like to request that you allow me to show it to you in the next video. I would like to thank you so much for watching this video, for joining me, how to make money online using Fiverr. Very huge online platform, very huge online marketplace for freelancers. If you're looking for a job online, if you're looking for a job to work from home, this is the website that you should be looking.